Welcome to News and Brews, with information on surgical robotics, insights on medical devices and digital health. We turn to our MD&M West correspondent, Ann Wyatt.
Well, here we are in this a little bit messy green room with Leyla Mirmomen. I love that last name, Leyla. I'm excited about the interview. How are you today?
I'm really good. Thank you very much.
Let's continue walking because we're going to get great questions for our dear Leyla to make sure that we get as much information as we can on this great trade show, which is the second day. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, I was here yesterday too. I had a talk.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I love this show.
Well, Anne is waiting for us, and she's going to be ready with all the questions as well.
Perfect. Hey, Leyla, how are you? It is so nice to see you today. Thank you for stopping by our show here. And thank you to Ziki for being an amazing escort. We appreciate you. She's fantastic. Love working with her. Yeah. So you are with Optimous, and you are a PhD. And I know we were just having this engaging conversation in the back before we, right before this segment, we had to come up here. So I definitely want to get into that. But can you just kind of take a minute and introduce yourself and tell us a little bit more about Optimous and why you're so passionate about being a part of their team?
Hello, everyone. My name is Leyla Mirmomen. I am the CEO founder of Optimous. Optimous is a digital engineering company that is use simulation and data to create a digital version of systems and machines and technologies.
So, you know, I'm kind of an Industry 4.0 person, advocate. I'm part of the Industry 4.0 club, and all this stuff really interests me. So, you know, what you just told me here is that Optimous does a lot with digital twins. Is that what I'm hearing?
That's really true. You know, what we are mostly contributing to is helping innovators and also companies who are manufacturing devices to expedite their R&D and also development process by using digital twin. As you said, you know, we are quite at the end of Industry 4, at the start of Industry 5, but product development, unfortunately, is way behind in terms of digitization. We are still using conventional methods for product development, and by that I mean we are mostly focused on multiple iteration of manufacturing physical prototype, which costs us a lot of money and time. And in today's market, which is very agile, and we have to bring the product to the market as fast as possible, we need to push the boundaries and start moving toward digitization. One of the ways that we can move toward digitization, which is very advanced, is building digital twin of the system and technologies. And that's what we are doing.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's fantastic. And I don't think that folks, you know, kind of when I'm having similar conversations for my own podcast or just with friends and all of that, I don't think that we're really understanding the concept of Industry 4.0, the ability of it to be customized. Right? And in the medical device industry, you know, kind of how we're advancing our back-end product development in order to not only get the product delivered faster, but become more customizable to the end user. And in this case, it's us. We're the patients, right? We're the end user. So tell me kind of what your thoughts are on where we are in the process currently and where you would ideally like to see that journey advancing.
As you said, specifically we are talking about medtech and biotech. And one of the, you know, our customers, our patients are thinking quite modern. They would like a more customized solution for them, and they have been educated toward that. But when we go back to companies and industry, we are way behind. one of the ways to reflect customer need and customer voice into what we are building is using digitalization. And how this digitalization translates into the product is we be able to make this product in a virtual world. So it gives us the liberty to play around with different features, different parameters, enhancing the design, and make sure we are delivering exactly what our customer need. And toward that point, even in manufacturing, we are more and more moving toward 3D printing to be used as a tool for production. And when we have that capability, with the possibility to create different versions of a product, we are more able to capture the need of our customer and make sure we have a customized product for the need of different group of customers. Not one size fits all, but different sizes for different people.
That's awesome. Well, that's really cool. You know, I don't mind if you, I don't know if you mind, but I'd really like to switch gears here just really quickly. Because I think, you know, as a female founder, which is amazing, you know, that's like inspiration for all of us. So that's very cool. I want to let you know that. But as a female founder and also a PhD, you know, and from my perspective in recruiting and career development, I'm really curious to know what your professional journey has been like. What's your professional development journey been like? How did you get into this industry? How did you become such a dynamic professional and now female founder?
Thank you very much. It's interesting. I am from Iran. I moved to the US 5 years ago. Before that, back then, during my PhD, I figured that I am not academic, but an entrepreneur. And I used my engineering training to look at the problems that exist in a way that there is a solution for it. And I pursued that during my career by starting a company way back in Iran when I was in my 20s for product development. What we used to do engineering design and prototyping, physical prototyping. So I am very much familiar with conventional methods of product development. And I've been through all of those challenges, especially in a country like Iran, and understood a lot about the industry firsthand by experiencing it. Moving to this country and having advantage and access to all of these great tools and great experts, it got me this idea that there should be a faster way, an easier way to solve these problems. And that's how Optimous came to life.
That's amazing. You know, and how much does that, how much, that has to mean so much to you. That would mean so much to me. Does, you know, can you share that passion and just that excitement about achieving your goals and setting your goals, and what you would tell maybe yourself if you were looking back at your 12-year-old self, your 14-year-old self? What would you tell that girl?
To be honest with you, I think as a woman, based on living in a country like Iran, there's always defined gender roles. And I always thought that I wasn't very confident. So if I go back, I'm going to tell myself that believe in yourself and follow your dream. And don't doubt yourself. Don't second guess yourself. Because I did that a lot. And that wasted a lot of time in my life.
Oh, I love that so much. Yeah, just go for it, right? You just got to go for it. Just got to do it. And it all works out, right? So that's amazing. I believe that we are about at time today, unfortunately. Is there anything else that we could quickly cover here? Anything that you'd like to share with us and to the audience, the listeners today?
What I would like to say is that digitalization, and specifically what we are talking about, is a very new topic in the industry. And many people, because they are not familiar with, they are not even asking about it, and they have their own assumptions. I would like to, people in different industry, they are manufacturing devices, systems, also drugs, keep an open mind to this technology. We are developing as we are moving forward. So we are learning, and they need to help us to learn together. And thank you for giving this opportunity to me to talk to potential audience and introduce this technology to them.
Oh, absolutely. Thank you so much. No, it's been a joy having you today, and we appreciate your time. It means a lot to us. So thank you so much. And live from News and Brews, back to you.